Linking your bank account to Skype can help you manage payments and subscriptions easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. On the desktop, click on your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Settings. On mobile, tap the profile icon and find Settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. Click on it to access your payment options. Step 4. Add bank account. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account and enter the required details, such as your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Skype account. Now you are set to manage your Skype payments directly from your bank account. Enjoy your seamless communication experience.